Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing the Purge makeup. So I'm starting off with a white liner here and then just going all around my face. I'm going to be doing my eyes next, just creating the marks where I'm going to be applying the eyeshadow after. If you apply a white liner, it doesn't matter if it's liquid or pencil, it's just going to help your eyeshadow pigment stand out more. Okay, so it should look something like this, and I'm going to be going with this green shadow and I'm going to be applying it all over the white. Use any color you'd like. Okay, so once I'm done applying the green shadow, I'm going to go in with some white paint and I'm going to be adding it on top of that green, so it's just going to kind of give us like a little glowing effect. So I could actually leave it like this, but I'm going to be adding some shadow. So I'm going to be creating like a liner with my shadow and then going over it with some white paint. And I'm going to be adding some mascara as well and popping in some lashes and some black contacts. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video.